Very warm welcome on the platform of INSYS Academy. We are discussing the rapid fire series of UPPSC questions. In this series, we are approximately discussing 25,000 plus questions. In the first part, we have covered ancient history of India. If you all has not watched that video, you can go and check. In this part, we are going to discuss the medieval history of India. Let's start the video. First chapter is Arab invasion and conquest of Sindh. The following ruler of Kashmir abolished jizya and cow slaughter. Jainul Abidin. Muhammad bin Qasim was Arab. When was Sindh conquered by Muhammad bin Qasim? 712 AD. The court historian of Mahmud Ghazni was Utbi. The ruler of Chalukya Solanki dynasty of Gujarat at the time of Mahmud Ghazni's invasion on Gujarat, that is Bhim or Bhima. An incident and indecisive victory, which modern historians had made this comment on Arabs' victory over Sindh. Lane Pool. Ghaznavi dynasty was founded by Alaptagin. Now let's start the next chapter, that is invasion of Muhammad Ghori and establishment of Delhi Sultanate. The silver coins with numismatic inscription in Sanskrit at its one side was circulated by Mahmud Ghazni. Which slave of Muhammad Ghori had attained victory on Bengal, that is Bakhtiyar Khilji. On the coins of which Muslim ruler the image of goddess Lakshmi was inscribed, that is Muhammad Ghori. The following rulers from Central Asia conquered North India in 1192. Shihabuddin Muhammad Ghori. The first attack of Sultan Muhammad Ghori in India was at Multan. Muhammad Ghori had defeated Jaichand in Battle of Chandawar held in 1194. The name of last Khalifa of Baghdad was inscribed for first time on the coins of Alauddin Masood Shah. The following rulers was popularly known as Prithviraj Chauhan, Prithviraj III. The battle which established the Muslim rule in India, Second Battle of Tarain. The phrase last son of Indian glory has been used for Hemu. Move on to the next chapter, that is slave dynasty. The first Muslim ruler of Delhi was Qutbuddin Aibak. Which sultan introduced the tradition of writing the name of the mint on the coins in India? Iltutmish. About which sultan of Delhi it is considered that he followed the policy of blood and iron, that is Balban. During Balban's rule, where did the revolt of Tughril Khan took place? Bengal. The following governor rebelled during Balban's reign, that is Tughril Khan. The following sultans of Sultanate had shifted his capital to Delhi at first, Iltutmish. The first sultan of Delhi to issue regular currency and declared Delhi as the capital of his empire was Iltutmish. The following had established Delhi as the capital of Delhi Sultanate, that is Iltutmish. The medieval king responsible for introducing the silver coin called Tanka in North India was Iltutmish. The following had circulated silver coin named Tanka, that is Iltutmish. During which of the following regime Mongol invader Genghis Khan reached at the northwest frontier of India, Iltutmish. Which Sultan of Delhi was contemporary of the Mongol leader Genghis Khan, that is Iltutmish. Who was called a slave of a slave, Iltutmish. Which medieval king of India introduced Ikta system, Iltutmish. Razia Sultan defeated and assassinated at Kathal. First woman ruler of Delhi during medieval India was Razia Sultan. The following sultans called himself as Nayab of Khalifa in his inscription on the mosque of Garhmukteswar, that is Balban. The following sultan concentrated complete 1 year to suppress the Mayos and cutting the forest near Delhi, that is Balban. Now move on to the next chapter, that is Khilji dynasty. During the reign of which of the following Sultan of Delhi, Hindu gods and goddesses were worshipped in royal palaces, that is Nasiruddin Khusro Shah. The following Sultan appointed a special army to protect the boundaries of the empire, that is Alauddin Khilji. The following Sultan had named Devgiri as Quwwatul Islam, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The following kings of the medieval India began the public distribution system, Alauddin Khilji. Market control system was introduced by Alauddin Khilji. The measures taken by Alauddin to control the market price highly successful. Which Sultan of Delhi had charged land revenue at the rate of 50% of the production? Alauddin. The following Sultan had held the title of Sikandar II, Alauddin Khilji. Which Sultan of Delhi had held the title of Khalifatullah, also called Khalifa? Qutbuddin Mubarak Khilji Shah. The army of Kakatiya rulers in 1303 at Warangal was defeated by Alauddin Khilji. The boundary between Delhi Sultan and Mongols during the period of Alauddin Khilji after 1306 AD was Indus. The following commanders of Alauddin became the first Sultan of Tughlaq dynasty, that is Ghazi Malik. The first Sultan of Delhi who charged Ghari or Grihakar house tax was Alauddin Khilji. Now move on to the next chapter, that is Tughlaq dynasty. The following translated 300 volumes of Sanskrit books collected by Firoz Tughlaq during the campaign of Nagarkot, that is Azizuddin Khan. Isami Barni Ibn Battuta were the contemporaries of which Muslim ruler? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The Sultan of Delhi to participate in celebration of holy festival publicly was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which Sultan of Delhi Sultanate had established a separate department of agriculture, that is Diwan-e Amir Kohi? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which Sultan of Delhi Sultanate had established a separate department of agriculture and made a plan for rotation of crops? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which type of department, Diwan-e Amir Kohi, was in Muhammad bin Tughlaq's administration? Agriculture. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital to Daulatabad. order to transfer the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad was given by Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. During period of which ruler the traveller Morocco Ibn Battuta came to India? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. During whose ruling period Ibn Battuta visited India? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The king was freed from his people and they from their king. On whose death did Badauni comment this? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The most learned ruler of Delhi, who was expert in astronomy, mathematics and astrology, was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. During the rule of which dynasty Vijarat was on its zenith? Tughlaq. The following has been given the particular about postal system of Sultanate period. Ibn Battuta. Token currency circulated in India at first by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The following sultan had circulated token currency in India at first? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The following sultan had circulated token currency in India at first? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which sultan of Delhi had termed alai amirs as Khwaja Tas or co-slaves? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. In a reference to 13th century AD, who among the following ruler is credited for construction of canal for agricultural purpose? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. The first Indian ruler to organize Hajj pilgrimage at the expense of the state was Firoz Tughlaq. The following Sultan of Delhi had established the employment office Diwan-e Khairat Darul Sifa? Firoz Tughlaq. Surb tax was levied on irrigation. The first Sultan of Delhi to charge irrigation tax was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which Sultan of Delhi had established a translation department with a view that it will create a better understanding between two communities? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which of the following was known as Siraz of the East during reign of Sarkid Sultans? Jaunpur. The city of Jaunpur was established by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which Sultan of Delhi had charged jizya on Brahmins to? Firoz Tughlaq. Who had brought two Asokan pillars from Topara and made it to Delhi? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which Sultan of Delhi brought Asokan pillars to Delhi? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The following Sultan of Delhi had established employment office for the help of unemployed persons? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Public Works Department was established at first by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Public Works Department for the first time was established by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. During which ruler Timur had invaded India and looted Delhi? Nasruddin Mahmud. Sultans of which dynasty ruled the country for the longest period? Tughlaq. Now move on to the next chapter, that is Sayyid and Lodi dynasty. With reference to Indian history, who of the following were known as Kula Durans? That is Sayyids. Also asked in the UPSC exam. The following had invited learned scholars from Arabia, Persia and Central Asia? Sikandar Lodi. The following composed his poems with some names of Guldukhi? Sikandar Lodi. The following medieval ruler had composed his poems in pen name of Guldukhi? Sikandar Lodi. The Agra city was established by Sikandar Lodi. The following Sultan had transferred the capital of Sultanate from Delhi to Agra? Sikandar Lodi. The following Sultans is known for withdrawal of zakat on food grains? That is Sikandar Lodi. Agra was established by Sikandar Lodi. Which Sultan of medieval period is credited for establishment of Agra city and making it the capital of Sultanate? That is Sikandar Lodi. Which medieval ruler had declared that kingship is brotherhood and brotherhood is kingship? Bahlol Lodi. The ruler during whose regime Guru Nanak had established Sikh religion was Sikandar Lodi. The following Sultanate rulers were Afghan Lodi. Now move on to the next chapter, that is art and architecture in Sultanate period. The Kirti Astambh of Chittor was built by Rana Kumbha. The following had not contributed in construction of Qutub Minar: Ghayasuddin Tughlaq. The following Sultan had got constructed the fifth floor of Qutub Minar: Firoz Shah Tughlaq. First tomb of India constructed in Islamic style was Tomb of Balban. The first extant true arch is found in buildings of Tomb of Sultan Balban. The iron pillar established in courtyard of Quwwatul Islam Mosque in the memory of Chandra. Vijayastambha of Chittor was constructed by Rana Kumbha. Buildings in Old Fort of Delhi was constructed by Sher Shah. Next chapter is the literature in Sultanate period. The following has translated Chintamani Bhatt's Sanskrit text Sukha Saptati in Persian and gave in the title Tuti Nama, Khwaja Ziauddin Naqshbandi. The name of book written by Fakre Mudabbir on the art of war was Adab ul Harb. The book Fawad ul Fawad, the record of the conversations of Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia, it was compiled by Amir Hassan Sidji. Fatwa-e-Jahadari was written by Ziauddin Barni. Telugu version of Mahabharat was written by Nannaya. Tutiya-Hind Amir Khusro was born in Patiali. Amir Khusro was in court of Alauddin Khilji. The following called himself Tutiya-Hind Amir Khusro. In growth of which of the following Amir Khusro played a leading role? Khadi Boli, the first Muslim to study the Puranas, Al-Baruni. The following had introduced the study of Bhagavad Gita in Muslim world, Al-Baruni. The following historians had authored Taj-ul Masir, Hasan Nizami. The following Persian poets have mentioned about Indian atmosphere: Amir Khusro. Sultan of Delhi, who had written his autobiography, Firoz Tughlaq. The following is regarded as the father of Khadi Boli Hindi, Amir Khusro. Next chapter is the Vijayanagar, Bahmani and other regional dynasties. In medieval India, the term Fanam referred to coins. Battle of Talikota was fought between Vijayanagar, Bijapur, joint army of Ahmednagar, Golconda. The last ruler of Sarki dynasty of Jaunpur was Hussain Shah, who were polygars in South India, regional administrators and military controller. Persian ambassador who took a tour of Vijayanagar Empire was Abdul Razzaq. Abdul Razzaq came to Vijayanagar dynasty during reign of Devrai II. The last ruler of Jaunpur state was Hussain Shah. The real name of Zainul Abidin, the ruler of Kashmir, was Shahi Khan. Prior to Akbar, which medieval Indian ruler is mentioned as the Akbar of Kashmir? Zainul Abidin. The following was called the Siraj-e-Hind during pre-Mughal period, Jaunpur. The remains of which of the following places represents the ancient capital of Vijayanagar kingdom, that is Hampi. During which year Bahmani kingdom was founded? 1347. The founder of Bahmani kingdom in south was Hasan Gangu. Bahmani kingdom was founded in 14th century. Which city had Krishna Dev Rai founded? Naglapur. Who was the 8 jewels in the court of Krishna Dev Rai? 8 Telugu poets. Ruler of famous Vijayanagar Empire, Krishna Dev Rai was the golden period of which literature? Telugu. 8 jewels were in Krishna Dev Rai court. The following ruler of Vijayanagara had started the recruitment of Muslims in his army. Devaraya II. The biggest administrative unit in Tamil region of Vijayanagar Empire was Kottam. The following Vijayanagar ruler had permitted Portuguese to construct a church in Vellore? Venkata II. Poetess who had mentioned about the victory expeditions of her husband in poetic form in her creation Madhura Vijayam was Ganga Devi. Coronation of which of the following had completed more than 500 years? Krishnadev Rai. Move on to the next chapter, that is Bhakti and Sufi movement. The following was saint of Warkari sect Namdev. The worship of incarnation of Vishnu Vithoba was popular in Maharashtra. Tulsidas was contemporary of Akbar and Jahangir. Famous poet Amir Khusro was the follower of which Sufi saint? Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia. Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti was the disciple of Khwaja Usman Haruni. The following was the founder of Chishti sect of Sufism, Sheikh Muinuddin. The following resided in Ajmer at first? Sheikh Muinuddin Chishti. Chishtiya Sufi sect in India was founded by Khwaja Muinuddin. The first Sufi saint of Chishtiya sect in India was Sheikh Muinuddin Chishti. During whose reign Sufi saint Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti came to Rajasthan? Prithviraj Chauhan. Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia was the disciple of that is Baba Farid. The following was the disciple of Baba Farid, Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia. The following had seen the regime of 7 sultans of Delhi, Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia. Which Sufi saint was called Mehboob-e Ilahi? Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia. The most famous disciple of Sheikh Farid who saw the regime of 7 sultans of Delhi, Nizamuddin Aulia. The following Chishti saints is called Chirag-e Dehlavi, that is Nasruddin. The following is known as Sadi-e-Hind, Amir Hassan. Theories of which of the following Sufi saint is composed in Adi Grantha? Fariduddin Ganje Sakar. The following was regarded with the title of Sheikh-ul Hind, Sheikh Salim Chishti. The following Sufi sect was against the music Naqshbandi. Music is prohibited in following Sufi sect Naqshbandi. The following was not associated with Sufism ulema. The following Sufi saint regarded Lord Krishna as his Aulia. Shah Muhammad Ghaus. Kabir was the disciple of Ramanand. Mirabai was contemporary of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Due to efforts of disciples of which Bhakti saint Vrindavan became a pilgrimage spot? Chaitanya. The following is the birthplace of Guru Nanak, Nankana. No person should ask the religion, sect or caste from any person. The statement is associated with Ramananda. The following saint of medieval India was born at Prayag. Ramananda. Famous medieval saint Shankardev was associated with Vaishnavism. Vaishnavism in Assam, Kuch Bihar was propagated by Shankardev. The following Vaishnava saint was the author of Kirtana Ghosa, Sri Shankar Dev. The following leaders of Bhakti sect was influenced with Islam, Namdev. Maluk Das was a saint poet of Kara. Vaishnavism in Kamrupa was popularized by Shankar Dev. Move on to the next chapter, that is Babar's invasion and establishment of Mughal Empire. During his annexation of Afghanistan, who invited Babur to invade India? Daulat Khan. First battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. In which year Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in Battle of Panipat, 1526 AD. In the following war, artillery was used by one side. First Battle of Panipat. The following emperor was known as Kalandar. Babur. Babur owned the title of Padshah at first in Kabul. The king of Mewar, to whom had Babur defeated in the Battle of Khanwa, was Rana Sanga. During the following wars, Babur had declared jihad. Battle of Khanwa. The following had defeated Babur in the Battle of Sare Pul. Saibani Khan. Gulbadan Begum was the daughter of Babur. Move on to the next chapter, that is Humayun and Sher Shah. Jayata and Kumpa were associated, who impressed Sher Shah with their valor at Marwar. The Battle of Chausa fought between Humayun and Sher Shah in 1539. Which two rulers had fought the battle near Kannauj on 17th May 1540? Sher Shah and Humayun. The exchange rate of copper dam and silver rupaya during Sher Shah period was 64:1. Which medieval Indian ruler had started system of patta and kabuliyat? Sher Shah. Which medieval ruler had introduced the system of patta and kabuliyat for the help of farmers? Sher Shah. Sher Shah Suri died at Kalinjar. Sher Shah was cremated in Sasaram. The following medieval ruler who highly educated Sher Shah. The mosque Qila-e-Kunaha inside Purana Qila of Delhi was built by Sher Shah. I would have lost the empire just for a feast of the millet. I would have lost the empire just for a feast of millet. To which of the following medieval ruler you would like to associate this statement? Sher Shah. From the following names, identify the name which does not belong to the Humayun's brother Usman. Next is the Akbar. Mansabdari system in India was introduced by Akbar. Todarmal had got the prominence in which field? Land revenue. The following was a chain of continuance between Sher Shah and Akbar, that is Todarmal. Military system during Akbar's period was based on Mansabdari. Deen-e-Ilahi as a religion was recognized by historian Abdul Qadir Badayuni. The concept of Sulh-e-Kul, that is universal peace and brotherhood, adopted by Akbar, was based on religious lenience, political liberty, liberal cultural view. Akbar's Ibadat Khana was the place where interfaith debates and discussions were held. The following rulers issued some coins with figures of Rama and Sita and Devanagari legend Ramasiya. Akbar. First person to be provided the full grade of Diwan by Akbar was Muzaffar Khan Turbati. At the Dargah of which Sufi saint Akbar used to visit frequently? Moinuddin Chishti. The following Jain Acharyas had been honored by Akbar: Hari Vijay Suri, Jain saint who stayed in the Akbar's court for some time and was honored with the title of Jagadguru, was Hari Vijay Suri. A fatwa was issued from Jaunpur against which Mughal ruler emperor, that is Akbar. The following was killed by Akbar himself: Adam Khan. The following rulers may be called as the conscious despotic, that is Akbar. The following had ordered that a man should marry with only one woman. He can go for another marriage only if his wife is sterile, that is Akbar. Which Indian ruler was contemporary to the Queen Elizabeth of England? Akbar. Among the 9 jewels in Akbar's court, which of the following did not belong to a family? Abdul Rahim Khan Khana. The following province of South India was not the part of Mughal Empire during Akbar's period: Golconda or Golconda. The following states of Rajputana had not accepted the subjection of Akbar, that is Mewar. Rajput dynasty with which Akbar had established marital relation at first, that is Kachwahas. The following system was the base of collection of land revenue in Deccan during Akbar's reign, that is Japti. Now move on to the next chapter, that is Jahangir and Shah Jahan. Which Mughal ruler patronized Kavindra Acharya Saraswati of Banaras, a great scholar of Sanskrit and Hindi? Shah Jahan. Which Mughal ruler patronized Kavindra Acharya Saraswati of Banaras, a great scholar of Sanskrit and Hindi? Shah Jahan. In which year did Prince Khurram receive the title of Shah Jahan? 1617 AD. The following foreign travelers mention about diamond and diamond mines of India in detail: Jean Baptiste Tavernier. Thomas Roe came to India as British ambassador during the reign of Jahangir. During the reign of which Mughal ruler did Sir Thomas Roe came to India, that is Jahangir. At which place Jahangir gave the time to meet Thomas Roe, that is Ajmer. Jahangir had protected which of the following art maximum? Paintings. To which of the following had Mughal emperor honored with the title of English Khan? William Hawkins. The following foreign traveler was appointed as Mansabdar and honored with the title of Firangi Khan? Hawkins. The following had East India Company sent in the court of Jahangir? Hawkins. Mughal emperor who banned the use of tobacco was Jahangir, during whose rule the Treaty of Chittor was signed between Mughals and Rana of Mewar, that is Jahangir. Who awarded the killer of Abul Fazl? Jahangir. Which Sikh Guru had helped Prince Khusro with wealth and blessings? Guru Arjan Dev. The following was not the member of Nur Jahan's junta? Jahangir. A Dutch pilgrim who had provided a precious particular about Jahangir's period was Francisco Pelsart. The tomb of which Mughal emperor is located at the bank of Ravi river? Jahangir. I have sold my empire to my lover for a cup of wine and a plate of sorba. Who among the following Mughal emperors had stated this? Jahangir. The following was appointed as physician in Mughal Empire? Bernier. Who had given famous Kohinoor diamond to Shah Jahan in gift? Mir Jumla. The following Mughal emperor had prohibited the Persian tradition of Sijda? Shah Jahan. The following had Shah Jahan honored as Shah Buland Iqbal Dara Sikho, who had led the priests of Banaras to petition Mughal emperor to stop the pilgrimage tax of Banaras and Allahabad. Kavindracharya. The following had transferred the capital of empire from Agra to Delhi. Shah Jahan. During the period of which of the following rulers a long-lasting struggle began between Mughals and Ahoms? Jahangir. The following was the governor of Deccan for a long time during Shah Jahan regime, that is Aurangzeb. Move on to the next chapter, that is Aurangzeb. Which musical instrument was played by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb? Veena. Coronation of which of the following Mughal emperor was held 2 times? Aurangzeb. The following was called as Jinda Pir. Aurangzeb. 2 provinces which Aurangzeb had conquered in south were Vijapur and Golconda. When had Aurangzeb conquered Vijapur? 1686. The 2 of the following provinces Aurangzeb had conquered in south were Bijapur and Golconda. The following had annexed the independent province of Golconda in Mughal Empire. Aurangzeb. Under which emperor the number of Hindu commanders were maximum in Mughal army? Aurangzeb. Saint Ramdas is being associated with whose reign? That is Aurangzeb. To whom had Aurangzeb honored with the title of Sahibat-uz Zamani? Jahan Nara. During whose rule Jizya was reintroduced? Aurangzeb. The following tomb was destroyed by Jats during Aurangzeb's period. Tomb of Akbar. Move on to the next chapter, that is later Mughal period. Tappa style of music was refined and developed in which of the following Mughal emperor's court? Muhammad Shah. Who was Kharitadar, dispatcher of royal decrees? The last Subedar of Bengal, who was appointed by Mughal Emperor Murshid Quli Khan. During the reign of which Mughal Empire Nadir Shah attacked? Muhammad Shah. The following was the last governor of Bengal appointed by Mughal Emperor Murshid Quli Khan. Bahadur Shah was the last Mughal emperor. What was the name of his father? Akbar Shah II. The following Mughal emperor was known as Sahib-e-Khabar, that is Bahadur Shah, who sat on the throne after the death of Aurangzeb in 1707. Bahadur Shah I. During whose period there was supremacy of Hijraz and Oman, that is Ahmad Shah 1748 to 1754. The following was first Nawab of Awadh, Sadat Khan. Now move on to the next chapter, that is art and architecture during Mughal period. Pathar Masjid. Pathar Masjid at Srinagar in Kashmir was built by Noor Jahan. Mosque the Khairul Manzil opposite to Purana Kila in Delhi was constructed by Mahamanga. Buland Darwaza was constructed by Akbar. The following painters was given the title of Nadir-uz-Zaman by Jahangir Abul Hasan. The most eminent painter of birds in the court of Jahangir was Mansoor. The following painters of Jahangir's reign was conferred with the title of Nadir-ul-Asra. Mansoor. Mughal school of painting was established by Humayun. Who laid the foundation stone of Mughal paintings? Humayun. Which Mughal ruler out of the following learnt Hindu music from Lala Kalawant? That is Akbar. Pahari school, Rajput school, Mughal school, Kangra school represents the various schools of which of the following art? paintings. Abul Hasan was one of the most eminent painter of Jahangir's reign. He painted the well-known Mughal Darbar scene describing Jahangir's interaction with the people. The following was not a painter in the Mughal period: Baj Bahadur. The tomb of Adil Shah, popularly known as Gol Gumbaz, located in Bijapur. The tomb of Sher Shah Suri is situated in Sasaram. Moti Masjid in Red Fort of Delhi was constructed by Aurangzeb. Famous tomb of Tansen is situated at Gwalior. Tomb of Akbar is situated in Sikandra. The following built the tomb of her emperor husband Haji Begum. The following Mughal emperor had constructed the Jama Masjid of Delhi: Shah Jahan. An education center of Delhi known as Madrasa-e-Begum was established by Mahamanga, whose tomb is known as Second Taj Mahal, tomb of Rabia ud Daroni. Creator of Bibi ka Maqbara was Aurangzeb. The following fort was not constructed during the reign of Akbar: Red Fort of Delhi. Who should be credited for the construction of Red Fort? Shah Jahan. Babri Mosque, situated in Ayodhya, was constructed by Mir Baqi. The tomb of which Mughal emperor is not in India? Jahangir, Babur. First observatory Jantar Mantar established by Sawai Raja Jai Singh in Jaipur. Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh of Jaipur had not built the observatory at Allahabad. The modern shape of Old Fort of Delhi was constructed by Sher Shah Suri. Emperor Akbar had constructed in Fatehpur Sikri, Panch Mahal. Now move on to the next chapter, that is literature and literature during Mughal period. Yoga Vasistha was translated into Persian by Nizamuddin Panipati during the reign of Akbar. Many Muslim scholars translated different parts of Mahabharata in Persian. This compilation is called Razmanama. Title of Persian translation of Mahabharata is Razmanama. Gijali was the famous creation to whose era? Akbar. The following kings had given patronage to Tansen before Akbar: Raja Ramchandra Singh of Bhata. Upanishads were translated into Persian during the reign of Shah Jahan, under which head Dara Shikoh had translated Upanishads in Persian language. Sire Akbar. Author of Sire Akbar was Dara Shikoh. Akbarnama was completed by Abul Fazl in 7 years. Akbarnama was authored by Abul Fazl. The following Mughal emperors has written his autobiography in Persian language: Jahangir, who had translated Ramayana in Persian language as per Akbar's will; Abdul Qadir Badayuni. The following Mughal princes had authored Humayunama: Gulbadan Begum. The following has written the historical description of Mughal period: Gulbadan Begum. During the Mughal period, the madrasa, which was specialized in teaching of Muslim jurisprudence, was located in Lucknow. The following has authored famous epics like Ramchandrika and Rasik Priya, that is Kesav. Anwar-e-Suhaili is translation of Panchtantra. Babur has mentioned about which Hindu kingdom in his Babarnama, Memar. The following was royal poet during Shah Jahan's regime, that is Kaleem. The following had translated Sanskrit epic Hitopdesha in Persian: Tajul Mali. The first Muslim to study the Hindu religious epics, Dara Shikoh. Move on to the next chapter, that is Shivaji and Maratha Empire. The following coins was not a silver coin currency in the kingdom of Chhatrapati Shivaji, that is Rupaya. The Maratha claim of revenue for protection is known by name Chauth. When was Shivaji born and when did he assume the title of Chhatrapati? Born in 1627 and assumed the title of Chhatrapati in 1674. Shivaji coronated as Chhatrapati in Raigad, the capital of Shivaji's empire in Raigad. With which military commander of Mughals had Shivaji signed the Treaty of Purandar 1665? Jai Singh. Shivaji had signed the Treaty of Purandar in 1665 with which Mughal general, that is Jai Singh. Shivaji had signed the Treaty of Purandar with which of the following general in 1665? Jai Singh repeated again and again. Ashtapradhan Council of Ministers was during whose reign? Shivaji. Ashtapradhan was a council of ministers in the Maratha administration. The following official was not among the Ashtapradhan in civil administration of Shivaji. Kotwal. Maratha women who led the Maratha struggle against Mughal Empire after 1700 AD onward was Tarabai, who was leading Marathas at the time of Aurangzeb's death. Tarabai. The following successor of Shivaji had Aurangzeb termed as honest Tarabai. Third Battle of Panipat took place in year 1761. Third Battle of Panipat was fought between Maratha and Ahmad Shah Abdali. The following had defeated Marathas in the Third Battle of Panipat: Afghans. The following was not a reason behind emergence of Maratha political consciousness. That general who was sent by Sultan of Bijapur to suppress Shivaji in 1659, Afzal Khan. The Maratha king became a non-entity and the Peshwa the virtual ruler from the time of Balaji Bajirao. Shivaji defeated the Mughals in the Battle of Salahar. The following was known as Deshmukh, Patil and Nayak. Independent Sardar. The post of Sar-e-Naubat during Shivaji's period was associated with military administration. Next chapter is Sultanate and Mughal period miscellaneous. From which place Jayata and Kumpa were associated, who impressed Sher-Shah with their valor? Marwar. Who gave the title Dilawar Khan to Husayn Ghori, the founder and ruler of Malwa, that is Firoz Tughlaq. Modern name of ancient capital of Hoysalas is Halebidu, who were called Dastar Bandan Ulema. At which of the following place in India had Portuguese constructed their first fort? Cochin. During 13th-14th century, Indian peasants were not cultivating maize. Musical instruments tabla was introduced by Amir Khusro. When did Vasco da Gama came to India? 1498 AD. The game of polo introduced in India by Turks. Prophet Hazrat Muhammad was born in 570 AD. Maximum number of amirs and sultans during Sultanate period belong to which community? Turk. The following term was used for land measurement during Sultanate period: Masahat. The chief of military staff called during Sultanate period was R.J. Mumalik, to which Bandagan Ikhas denotes during the regime of Delhi Sultanate, royal slaves. The following was declared as his successor by Guru Nanak Lehna. Jawabit were secular rules. The meaning of Deh in Mughal period was village or Mauja. The term Chakla has been used in medieval Indian history sources. This was territorial unit between Suba, Pargana, but not identical to Sarkar. The following right peasant had on their own land during Mughal period? Only to mortgage the land, only to sell the land, only to donate the land. The following were the kingmakers during Mughal period: Hussain, Ali and Abdullah. The commander-in-chief of Maharana Pratap Rajput army in Battle of Haldighati was Hakim Khan Sur. The following sultan had ruled for a longest period: Bahlol Lodi. Khalsa Panth was founded by Guru Gobind Singh. The following Sikh gurus introduced Gurumukhi, Guru Angad. The following had established astronomical observatory in Delhi called Jantar Mantar: Jai Singh II. The term Mal in Mughal administration denotes land revenue. Mal or Mughal tax was a tax charged on land. The real name of Banda Bahadur was Lakshman Dev. Begum Samru had built a famous church in Sardhana. Court language during Mughal period was Persian. The following Rohela Sardar was the trustworthy of Ahmad Shah Abdali, Najib Khan. The book Haft Kuljam, written during Ghaziuddin Haidar, is Dictionary of Arabian Persian. Tomb of Sujauddaulah is situated in Faizabad. The musicians like Tansen, Baiju Bawra, Gopal Nayak had got training from Swami Haridas. How many music centers are established by followers of Swami Haridas? 5. Amritsar city in Punjab was established by Guru Ramdas. Copper coin during Mughal period was called Dam. Mughals took Nowruz festival from Persian. Jababit were state laws. The main source of income of the state during Mughal India was land revenue. Maullim during Mughal period was Asif. The following was the founder of the independent state of Hyderabad: Chingiz Khan. Khidmati is tax payable by defeated Indian nobles. Mughal rulers of medieval India were basically Chagatai Turk, due to whose Samadhi Nanded Gurdwara is considered holy by Sikhs. Guru Gobind Singh. Who were Karori during Mughal period? Land revenue officials. Duties of Mir Bakshi in Mughal administration was supervision of land revenue officials. The following was the head of military in Mughal period: Mir Bakshi. The following crop is not mentioned in Aine-Akbari: potato and tomato. With this, the pointer of medieval India completed. We will start the next topic in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.